Looking for the perfect OBD2 scanner? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best OBD2 scanners that every car owner and mechanic should consider. Let's get started. Item number 5. The Autel MaxiCOM MK8BT Pro, a powerful diagnostic tool with a 7-inch touchscreen, Android 11, and a quad-core Cortex-A55 processor. It supports wireless diagnostics up to 33 feet, 38+ service functions, bidirectional control, and OE-level diagnostics for over 10,000 vehicles. Enjoy IMO key support, battery testing, and lifetime tech support. With 1-year free software updates and multi-language support, it's your all-in-one solution for professional car diagnostics and maintenance. Item number 4. Introducing the OBD Diagnostic tool, featuring a 5-inch touchscreen, Android 8.1, 1GB RAM, and 32GB ROM. With a 6100 mAh rechargeable battery, it supports 4 system diagnostics: engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS. Enjoy 7 lifetime free reset services, Auto-VIN, and battery voltage testing. Compatible with 57+ car brands and 10,000+ vehicle models, it's perfect for 1996 and newer OBDI-compliant vehicles. Lifetime updates via Wi-Fi and a 1-year warranty ensure top performance. Item number 3. Meet the ANCEL FX2000 OBD2 scanner, your go-to tool for engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS diagnostics. It supports full OBD2 functions, including live data, code reading clearing, O2 sensor tests, and more. With support for 46+ car brands and 10,000+ vehicle models, it works on most vehicles from 1996 and newer. Features a 4.0-inch TFT screen, lifetime free updates via Wi-Fi, multi-language support, and a 3-year warranty. Professional diagnostics in your hands. Item number 2. The Kingbolen S6 OBD2 scanner offers comprehensive diagnostics for all major vehicle systems, including engine, ABS, transmission, and more. Featuring a 5.99-inch touchscreen, 2GB RAM, and 32GB storage, it supports 28 maintenance functions like oil reset and TPMS reset. With Auto-VIN, lifetime Wi-Fi updates, and 17 language options, this Bluetooth-enabled scanner covers 93 OBD2-compliant car brands. Its 10-meter wireless range makes it ideal for convenient, precise diagnostics. Save time and money with the Kingbolen S6. Item number 1. Meet the Foxwell NT909, a powerful 8-inch Android 9.0 diagnostic tablet built for workshops and car owners. Packed with 2GB RAM, 32GB storage, and a 15-hour battery, it offers full system diagnostics, ECU coding, bidirectional control, and 30+ reset functions. With Auto-VIN, remote diagnostics, and lifetime tech support, it's the perfect tool for fast professional repairs. Enjoy 3 years of free updates, wide vehicle coverage, and support for CANFD, all with a 5-year warranty for peace of mind. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel